let's draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Take a compass and using the compass, let's take 6 centimeters radius on compass. These are example. We have taken the measurements and example because we cannot draw 6 centimeters radius on the board. So that's the reason we are taking for some of the example. Let's take the radius. Let's think this is a 6 centimeters radius on compass. Let us assume this is 6 centimeters, and using 6 centimeters radius, I draw a circle using 6 centimeters radius. We have drawn a circle using this. We have drawn a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So take a point of the circle. Now take any point, and let's take the center as O, and the point is P. Let's join that point, and this is, we know that it's a radius. Let's join this. And let's draw 60 degrees using the radius of P. Let's understand how we'll get the 60 degrees using compass. For example, take a scale, take a ruler, and draw a line segment, and take a point, center as O, and using this point O, take a measurement any centimeters, like 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters radius on compass. We can take any one of the thing. We can take any radius. It's not only 1 or 2. You can take anything. For example, for AZ, we are taking 2 centimeters radius on compass, and take any point here, any one of the end. We take in one end and draw a line, make an arc using this point. We make an arc, and this arc is intersecting the line segment which we have drawn, and take that point where it is intersecting, take it as 1, and then using point 1, use the same radius, the point 1, and we intersect that same line, same arc which we have drawn earlier, and we got one of the point here. That you take it as 2. Let's recall, we have taken a line segment, draw a line segment with any radius, and take one of the end point O, and using some of the radius we have drawn an arc, and that arc is intersecting the line segment. We have taken the point as 1, using 1, and with the same radius make an arc on the seam which is intersecting the earlier arc, and take it as a point 2. Now let's join the point 2 at O, and we'll be getting one of the angle. This angle is nothing but 60 degrees. We can verify using the protractor. This is 60 degrees. So we use the same rule to construct a 60 degrees for OP. So already we have the line segment OP as a radius. So take 2 centimeters radius on compass. We can take anything. For example, for our convenience, we are taking 2 centimeters radius on compass, and with the point O, using O, and make an arc. We make an arc, and where is it? Where the arc is intersecting the line segment, let's take that point as 1. Then, using point 1, use the same radius and intersect the previous arc. We go on the point there, take that point as 2, and let us join the point 2 and O. Let's join point 2 and O. Using the ruler. We got a line segment here, and it's intersecting the circle. And let's take that point where it is intersecting the circle, name it as Q. You take it as Q, and let's draw a perpendicular line after drawing QP. For QP, for OQ we draw a perpendicular line. For that, let's extend OP first. We are extending OP. We have extended radius OP. Thereafter, let's draw a perpendicular line for OQ. To draw a perpendicular line, we know that we should draw a perpendicular line which is 90 degrees. So how to construct 90 degrees is nothing but draw a line segment of some of the radius. Draw a line segment and take it any point. Take any point, anywhere we can take it. So the point as O. Using the point O, take some radius, any radius. For our convenience, we are taking 2 centimeters radius and using the point O with radius of 2 centimeters, and we are intersecting the line segment which we have drawn now in this manner. Let's recall line segment using the point O. We are intersected this line segment, and it's intersected at 2 points, that is first and second, and use these 2 points. And now use those 2 points, and let's increase the radius of previous one, and we increase the radius, and use the constant radius for both, and we have increased the sum of the radius. We can take any one of the radius other than this. So we have taken the point O. Using point O, make an arc. Let's draw it again. Using point O, make an arc. And then using point 2, make an arc. And just before we have drawn 2 arcs. This is the one we have drawn, and the second one is this one, and these 2 arcs are intersecting at one point. Let us observe, this is a point. Let's take that point as 3. Take the point 3 and O, join these 2. So let's join the point O and 3. We have joined point 3 and O, and let us observe that it's a line, it's perpendicular. Let's name it as L or A here. We can name anything, just OA is perpendicular to 1, 2. OA is perpendicular line to 1, 2, which is making 90 degrees angle. This will make to construct the 90 degrees. So let's construct the same way for OQ. We need to construct a perpendicular line for OQ. Let's draw it. So take some radius here, we are taking some radius and use the radius. Now we need to construct for OQ using the point OQ. Sorry, using the point Q. We have made an arc here in this manner. We got 2 points here. That is point 2 already there. And let's take the point 3 here. And point 2 and 3 are intersecting this length line segment, which we have taken OQ. And this arc is taken in this manner, Q. And we made like this arc. Then after we got 2 points here, that is already there here, 2 and 3. And now let's take the point 2 and 3 and increase the radius of this. Let's little above it. And let's take the point 3 and make an arc again here. Now we made one of the arc. Let's remember this one. And then using the point 3 now, make an arc. Now we have taken this arc. Let's remember. And we have taken point 3 and point 2. We made 2 arcs and the 2 are intersecting at one point. Let's take the name as 4. This one we have taken as 4. So let's observe that point Q and 4 and OQ are perpendicular. So let's join that Q and 4 using the ruler. Let's join Q and 4. So this 2 Q and 4 is joined, and let's observe OP. When we extended OP and the line which we have drawn perpendicular to OQ is meeting at one point. Take it as, name it as R. So let's observe what we have done here. We have drawn a circle with a radius of 6 centimeters. Then after we have constructed a 60 degrees angle for OP. We have constructed a 60 degrees angle for OP. Then after we have extended OP just and for OQ we just extended OQ here after getting a 60 degrees angle. Just we extended and we want to draw a perpendicular line for OQ, and then we constructed a 90 degrees here using the point here like this. We have done, and 2 and 3 we got the points and we made 2 arcs and we got the point 4. Q and 4 is joined. And then OP is when OR we got OP is extended this line and Q4 is extended. These two are intersecting R, and then it made an angle. Some of the angle that is nothing but 30 degrees. The reason is we made here 60 degrees, and then from center to the point of contact to the tangent, it's nothing but 90 degrees. We know we have proved in earlier theorem in circles. So from center to the point of contact to the tangent, it's a perpendicular line. So it makes 90 degrees angle to the tangent. So 60 and 30, 60 and 90 is 150. And using the property of triangle, it will be 30 degrees. And we have constructed a triangle, we have constructed a tangent which is making an angle of 30 degrees. Let's recall the problem here. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters and draw a tangent of tangent to a circle which is making an angle of 30 degrees with a line passing through the center. It's a line passing through the center. Hence, the construction is completed.